Hello, in front of me I have HUAWEI Watch 4 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to change the step goals or goals for the amounts of steps taken on this watch. First we need to open the HUAWEI Health application on the phone that is paired with our watch. So let's open the app. Once you open the application, you should see the health page. On this page, find this widget right here, and on it you should see today's steps. And I have 0 out of 10,000, but you should see some numbers right here. Tap on it. It will bring you to this page, and on this page you should see a goal right here next to the step counter. And next to this goal, you have this edit icon. Tap on this edit icon. And once you tap on it, it will open this menu, and here we can edit the goal of the steps. And once you select the goal, tap on save. And the goal changed, as you can see. And once you're done, you can close the app. And that's how you change the step goals on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.